Disclaimer. Yes, of course we know this video is way too arrogant, even for simple clean standards. However, confidence is something that we pride ourselves in, especially when we can offer an experience that nobody else can. The key word is experience, not a service. So, methinks this is where we all get it wrong. A service is one person doing something for you that you pay money for, and it's over. That's it. It's over, Johnny. See, here, we built something genuine for our clients, and that, my friends, is why you're going to use us. We're absolutely not a service. We are an experience, much like a roller coaster, a hike, or a trip to your favorite pub on wing night. Top 3 reasons you're going to can your current cleaning service. Number 1, you're not a babysitting club. It's ridiculous. Calling your current service to complain about things not being done, leaving sticky notes, wondering if they came last night or if they're actually coming in to clean the next day. Why is the alarm going off? My shelves are dusty. Yada freaking yada. I could go on forever. I mean, come on, what are we doing here? You have a job. Now you're the owner of a cleaning service all of a sudden? No. I'm not. Number 2, your current cleaning services staff are just not happy people. They're not. We've been through it, which is why we have tweaked and tweaked over years to become the world's happiest company. You've maybe crossed paths with them. You've seen them. Leaving the office, miserable, downtrodden, broken. Why? Because they don't work here. We have nothing to lose. So respect and appreciation are paramount here at Simple Clean. That's our calling card, not money. We've created an experience where staff and clients have reached maximum levels of happiness, all without hassle. We have a system for everything because over time we've made so many mistakes that we have to be this good. Number 3, they're not checking their work, right? They can't be. Are you getting a report each month? Are you getting a personalized inspection each and every month? Letting you know who cleaned the building, what was missed, what's going to be improved next month? Hell no. Shouldn't that be a thing? Well, it should be, and we do it, and we take it seriously. That'd be like driving a car and not putting oil in, and the engine seizes, and you're like, I don't know. That's it. What a world, baby. What a world. So, there it is. That's all it takes. 3 reasons why you need to kick them to the curb. However, if by some miracle you're happy with your current cleaning service, then you should probably keep them on board because they're so hard to come by. I mean, we've got to give other cleaning services a shot as we're not trying to take over all of New Jersey. Are we?